the morning. Got a little bit of light snow. We're getting going so we can make our delivery as early as possible this morning. Ah, well. Alrighty, still heading west. It's a little after 4 o'clock in the morning now. Still a little light dusting on the road, past the plow. But the road is pretty dry. Otherwise, I mean, the dusting is less than 1/8 of an inch. So no problems moving down the road. A couple of truck drivers being a little overly cautious, not driving to what the conditions really are. I mean, a couple of them had flashers on and doing around 55 miles an hour. Which I think is a bit of an overreaction myself, but if you never drive in snow, I can understand why you're going to be more cautious. But no slippage. The road surface itself is pretty much dry. So no real problems on the road. So we get to North Lima. And we'll stop for a load check. And that'll leave about 280 miles to go for the morning. So no real major problems. Who knows what Pennsylvania is going to do? I don't think there should be any shutdown or anything that way. Temperature right now is about 8 degrees. So we got about 35 degrees warmer than it was this time yesterday morning. Doing good, rolling along. Alrighty, the last exit in Ohio on I-76. Gonna pull in here real quick and do a load check.
Approaching destination in a half mile on the right side. Approaching destination in 900 feet on the right side.
We'll just go to the speedway real quick, we just need some ice water. So
you have arrived at your destination on the right side. Proceed to the highlighted route. Toll booth ahead.
Sorry, dear. Driving in the dark and a snowy road, so I have to concentrate on driving. Snowy and dark. I have to concentrate on driving.
In 700 feet, take the entrance to the right on I-76.
To where we need to be. Just a little bit with the weather. That's the most minor interruption. But the the Pennsylvania highway crews and the shipper, which in reality is the receiver as well. I mean, it's the same company, just delivering from one branch to another. You know, they delayed me several hours, so that caused the load to be later than it should be.
Curve ahead. In a quarter mile, keep to the left on I-83 South.
That being said, we got it here as rapidly as we possibly could. You know, especially given the weather, albeit snowy and you know, well below freezing. I mean, we're good 17, 18 degrees below freezing right now. And yesterday, you know, being minus 22, 23 degrees. Trying to get everything, you know, strapped down and tarped, just caused delay after delay. So we do what we can, and you know, I'd rather have it done right than done right now. So get down here to exit 21, go to US 30. That'll take us where we need to go.
This road for 18 miles.
All right. Got here a couple minutes ago, getting unloaded. And you see, tarp is covered in dirty snow, pools of water. I mean, everything is just ugh. And then I'm inside a building, it's gonna melt. You know, see, mud flap. Just dripping water everywhere. Just no kind of fun whatsoever. So I got 3 tarps to fold up, roll, and put away. They gave me a new load picking up in Winchester, Virginia, which is about 110 miles away from here. And they want me there in 4 hours. So I have to basically get this done in less than 2 hours, which is going to be difficult. And then get on the road to get down there to get loaded for a load taking me to New Orleans. No fun at all. Okay, now it is, 10 minutes to 3. Finally leaving the receiver. Ah, boy, oh boy, oh boy. So my next load is picking up in Winchester, Virginia. Originally, it was supposed to pick up at 4 o'clock today, but there's no way I could ever get 100 plus miles in in the time that I have. I only got basically an hour and 15 minutes to get there. That just ain't gonna happen, even when it's clear and dry. But now that it's snowy and I gotta get down to 100 plus miles. Just not gonna happen. So they got to reschedule on it for pickup tomorrow at 9, which is doable. And we're taking that down to New Orleans area. So that's good, 1,200 mile run. So right now we're going to take ourselves back up to Carlisle and park it for the night. And then tomorrow morning we'll get up, which is Groundhog's Day, February the 2nd. Get to our, travel the 100 miles down to Winchester, Virginia, and be there by 9 a.m., which means I'm not going to get loaded and tarped down and strapped down until about noon, approximately. So I only probably do about 400 or 200 miles on Saturday. Sunday I'll do about 450, 500 miles. Monday, pretty much get right up next to where I need to go. The nearest truck stop to that, and then deliver on Tuesday. And then hopefully they have a load going back up to Atlanta. So I can be for my home time starting on the 6th. But we will see.